Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, VIVO V17 Pro device, and now I'm going to show you how to enable the power saving mode on the smartphone. So, to do it, you need to open the control panel and scroll down. Here, you need to find the power saving mode, and if you don't see the power saving mode here, click on the three dots button, find the power saving mode here. So we have low power mode and super power mode. Move it to your control panel, click done, and now open the control panel, and cool, here you have now low power mode and super saver. So enable low power mode to enable the power saving mode. But if you wanna enable the super power saving mode, so enable super power and click OK. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.